So they caught me filming in here. They're passing security around me quite a bit every now and then, so I have the camera low here. Hopefully they don't notice. I mean, I'm not trying to steal, I'm just making my vlog, right? But let's see what happens. Maybe I get thrown out. What's up, everybody? We are at Excalibur, home of the medieval castle, King Arthur, and all those stuff. We're at the main entrance here. You see we got the fountains down there. New York back there with the Statue of Liberty. Later we'll go check out the front. It's always beautiful, look at that. These fountains and the moat. But for now, we're going to go inside and explore a little bit. Stay tuned. Look at those fountains. Wish I could take a dip in this heat. Here's a great angle from Excalibur to get New York. Look at that Statue of Liberty. Buildings in the background. I don't know my American history, so I have no clue what buildings they are. Let me know in the comments if you do. And over here is the entrance to Excalibur. Huzzah! More amazing views at Excalibur. Wow. The breeze is blowing the right way. You can feel the mist from that fountain hitting you in the face. It feels so cool and refreshing. Woohoo! Thank God for these moving walkways. Makes life for a lazy person much easier. Let's go catch up with the rest of the crowd as we enter Excalibur. That's a good sign, read it. Don't those be sure, unless you're annoying. Seats unless you're annoying. For the ladies. And here's an extra tip. If you have the My Vegas slots, you got enough points, you could get 50% off 2 tickets. Here's the entrance. And we're going back up. Woo-hoo. The Excalibur, baby. Look at the chess pieces. You got your knight there and over there. There we go. I've always loved the Excalibur. It's so beautiful inside. It's like an actual castle. Rooms are pretty comfy too. Let's start the exploration, see what we can find. So this is the inside of Excalibur Hotel lobby over there. You register, check in. Casino back there. And downstairs, they've got an Orange Julius and an arcade. We'll go check that in a bit. And also way to the bottom is where they have the, I forgot what it's called. It's the medieval fighting they have. I can't remember the name. We'll go check that out in a bit. Because of course, you gotta explore the Excalibur. It's beautiful. I was here about 6 years ago, maybe 7. Hasn't changed much, but I still love it. I'm gonna hit some slots right now. Let's see what we can win. Be sure to get your MGM rewards card and put it in when playing at any MGM owned resort. You win points, prizes, etc. See, it's looking for my hello wolf. See? Stick the money in, and it counts how many points you earn, how much money you're spending, all that, and you can win stuff. 50 credits, and let's play. Come on, jackpot. So I spent $5 here and I didn't win a single time, so we're pulling out, finding another machine. This is definitely not paying. Here's something really convenient nowadays in the casino. You just put your phone charger and it charges your phone, so you never have a dead battery anymore. Great feature. So they caught me filming in here. They're passing security around me quite a bit every now and then, so I have the camera low here. Hopefully they don't notice. I mean, I'm not trying to steal, I'm just making my vlog, right? But let's see what happens. Maybe I get thrown out. Come on. So here you gotta make sure you tip your waitresses if you want to keep getting free drinks. So they got the ATM, which also changes money for you. All ones. I put in the 10 to give me 5 ones and 1 5. So we're gonna put in the 5, change it to ones. Come on. Dispensing. Here we go. All ones. You keep the waitress happy. Tips. She keeps feeding you bears and keeps you happy. Very important thing to remember in Las Vegas. So we're heading upstairs. It's the food court area, and to catch the tram to Luxor. Didn't have much luck here gambling. Let's see how upstairs looks. It's been a while since I've been here. I remember it's a whole bunch of food court. I think Thunder Down Under performs up here in one of the stages or something, and yeah, there's a tram. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, it's up here, moving walkway. Here's the moving walkway to Luxor. So I was right. I knew there was a way to get there with a moving walkway, but I couldn't remember where. Apparently it's the second floor. I don't know why I thought it was underground. But it's a huge place here. Look at all the stuff. Gift shop, 24/7 store, whole food court. A lot of different stuff. Buffet on that side somewhere. Here we got Per Life. A whole bunch of other food court stuff. Auntie Anne's pretzels. Restrooms over there. Big Chill, that's where you get your like some kind of like Fat Tuesdays. Krispy Kreme donuts. Einstein's Bagels back there. Pickup 6, Popeyes. Cool, look at all these. That's awesome. Masks that light up. Wow, that is cool. What's up? It's awesome.
Sound activated with the heads.
Yeah, I've seen them before.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Sorry, perfect for EDC and that. Temporary tattoos last up to 2 weeks. How much do you charge for a temporary tattoo?
We start at 30. After that, it just depends on the size.
Oh, it depends on the size? Alright. I got my mom with me, so I'm not gonna talk too much, but it's like a little prank I've been wanting to play on her for a while. So, sorry, I'll be back when I'm not with her, but yeah, thank you. See what we got this side. I believe this is where I got that huge hangover a few years ago. Hey. I'm good for now. Yeah, I guess this was the place that has the huge glass cup, right? No. Maybe you guys don't have it anymore. Back in the... I haven't been here in years, but before there's like a giant... I think it was like a yard glass. Oh yeah, that's it. It has a sword now. Yeah. How much is that one? 27?
27, but I can give you a little discount too.
Wow. That is cheap. Let me see if they want to try it. Yeah. Yeah, sure. 27 bucks for a 36-ounce sword. That's a deal. Over here they got Printies fly. Look at that. Get your custom design at $5. Wow. I wonder if you get your thing printed here for the $5 too. It says design starting at $5. I wonder if you could get your own t-shirts on for $5. Lots of cool tees you can get. I'm not shy, I just don't like you. Goku, Legends Never Die. Some real cool stuff. I pooped today. We continue on walking towards the Luxor Casino, Dragon's Lair. A bunch of souvenirs here from Las Vegas. Here at the Dragon's Lair, they got a giant dragon. Look at that. Neat. Over here they got more oxygen bars and hydro massage. I didn't do it. I was supposed to do it at Rio, but I didn't do it. There's someone here getting a massage. It actually is very comfortable. I've done it in the past. It's very, very good. Another ASMR massage I got. You guys want to see in another video? It's out already. I'll put the link up there and in the description. It was so much better.